welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to delete a mailbox on iPhone. Deleting a mailbox on an iPhone depends on whether you want to delete a custom folder you created, like work folder, or remove an entire email account from the Mail app. So deleting a custom mailbox or folder, first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your mail application right over here, and then you can simply go ahead and delete it by simply swiping on the separate list that you've made. Right now, as you can see, I don't have any of it, but all you need to do is simply click on edit, and then you can simply go ahead and delete it from here. It is as simple as that. The other thing you want to do is simply remove an entire email account. In order to go ahead and do so, open your settings and head straight into apps, and then you want to simply go ahead and look for mail right over here. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and tap on mail accounts, and you can simply go ahead and remove your old account by adding a new one. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.